Avalanche. The word strikes fear in the hearts of mountain people who know its power. Avalanches come in many forms. Volcanoes create avalanches swirling with deadly poisonous fumes. Avalanches of rock are capable of destroying everything in their path. This is the story of the agony of untamed Earth, Avalanche. Avalanches have the power to alter a life or a landscape permanently and instantaneously. For centuries, snow avalanches threatened only those who lived or worked in the domain of the killer they named the White Death. But now there is a new kind of avalanche victim, the tourist and sportsman. As mountainous regions become more accessible and sports more extreme, an increasing number of adventurers who come in search of recreation find a grim destiny in its place. These, the high, cold latitudes of the Earth, are the realm of the avalanche. In simplest terms, nature requires only two ingredients to create an avalanche: snow cover and a surface for it to slide down. Here, the lofty peaks reach up to catch the winds and create their own weather. They collect the moisture from passing storms and transform it into flakes of snow. Howling over peaks and passes, the wind lifts the snow and drives it in swirling clouds that come to rest in drifts. With the passing hours and days, the drifts grow ever deeper. And then, suddenly, there is that moment when one more tiny snowflake, one skier, or one footfall is too many. There are 1 million avalanches worldwide every year. No area on Earth has witnessed a harder struggle against the White Death than the Alps, where at least 100,000 avalanches occur annually.